Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good and I am Itika Maheshwari. I am today back with another video. In today's video, I am going to tell you about some of the diploma courses that you can do after appearing in your 12th standard exam, or even if you are going to appear in your 12th standard exams. These are the diploma courses that you must give a thought about doing them. So let's start with these courses. So the first diploma course is Diploma in Animation and VFX. As you know, it is a technique of creating cartoons by using photos or drawing and giving it motion. So the type of industries that you can start working in after doing this diploma are video game industries, animation studios, film production houses, television industries and mass media, etc. So if you want to become a professional animator, then you can study bachelor's degree in animation and VFX at a reputed institute so that you can make a good career in this field and you can earn good amount of money in this field by pursuing your passion. Also, you can do it even if you are pursuing some other degree course, then along with that also you can do it. Now the second course is Diploma in Computer Application. This diploma, even if you don't have this diploma, you must know what the things are being taught in this diploma. So the diploma basically offers you a package of certain skills related to computer that you must have in today's environment. So in this diploma you get to learn about computer fundamentals, that is the basics, and the window overview, view 7, 8, 10 and others. You get to learn about HTML, and also you get to learn about the important softwares like MS Office Word, MS Office Paint, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and the most important one, Microsoft Excel. Remember this guys, that if you are going to work in an organization tomorrow, then MS Excel is the one thing that you must know, the advanced aspect of MS Excel. So this is one of the most important softwares that you must know. Also, you will get to learn about desktop designing software that are like Corel Draw, Photoshop, Image Design. And after the completion of this diploma, you can get a job as computer operator or office coordinator or data entry operator. So like these. Next is the Diploma in Hotel Management. It is the best diploma for the people who are interested and who are passionate about cooking and who are interested in housekeeping or front office jobs, public relation jobs, and also you can enter the field of accounting, maintenance, management and marketing through this diploma. But guys, let me tell you, if you are really that interested, then you must do your bachelor's degree in hotel management. Although you can pursue this course also side by side, and please remember that the hotel industries are growing rapidly because people are getting more and more interested in traveling, and the craze of traveling is increasing day by day among people. So the job opportunities over the world, all across the world, are really increasing at a very fast pace. Next is the Advanced Diploma in Financial Accounting. So let me first tell you, if you are pursuing BCom honors from Delhi University or any private institution, then there is no need to do this diploma because all the things that are covered in this diploma are already taught in the institutions only. So this diploma includes basic computer applications like computer fundamentals, operating system, file management, computer handling. Also it tells you about MS Office like MS Access, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Paint. Also you will get to learn about Tally ERP 9, which is also taught in almost all of the colleges in which you go to pursue BCom honors as your degree course. Also, other internet online applications are taught like digital awareness, search engines, surfing. And after the completion of this diploma, you can start working as bank clerk, accounting executive, tally operator, computer operator, data entry operator, tax consultant, and etc. Next is the Diploma in Beauty Culture. So if you are the person who loves to use makeup and want to become a makeup artist or hair specialist, hair stylist or beauty generalist or skin analyst or anything related to the beauty, then these are some of the this diploma offers you some of the skills that you must know in order to pursue your professional culture in this field, that is in the field of beauty. And you will learn about professional ethics, nail structure, skin anatomy and physiology, client consultation, advanced massage techniques and various other things related to beauty only. Also, you will be glad to know that the duration of this diploma course is only 4 months. Now, next is the diploma in e-accounting, that is totally related to taxation. And as we all know how important taxation has become, that even if you don't belong to commerce background, you must have certain knowledge about taxation, because when you start working somewhere, you will definitely require the knowledge related to taxation. So this is the best diploma you can pursue after your 12th, and it also becomes most important computer course, as you will be getting to know about the electronic things related to the field of taxation only. Next is the diploma in mobile app development. As we know that the craze for mobile phones in India is increasing at a very fast pace, so you can become a mobile app developer too. You can pursue this diploma, and the responsibilities of the app developers are application management, planning, designing, development and testing, debugging or troubleshooting, etc. etc. There is a big opportunities in this digital world for mobile app developers. If you are planning to become a mobile app developer, you should know coding and designing application needed for you to become mobile app developer. So this course might take a little longer than the other ones, and it requires language like Java, JavaScript, C++, Python, PHP, etc. Next is the diploma in fashion designing. So it is the best diploma course who are interested in areas like developing clothes, lifestyle accessories, fashion marketing, fashion designing, production, planning and concept management. So if you like to play with colors and you are really creative and you have artistic abilities in video, then you should pursue this course, and this diploma will really help you a lot. Also, let me tell you guys that all the courses, all the diplomas that I talked about are of the duration of 12 to 18 months only, except the one that was diploma in beauty culture. And these diplomas may really help to get you to get a job much prior to your other competitors, because it gives you a competitive edge and you have a skill in your hand. You can also start working as a freelancer. A freelancer is a person who works outside of the organization, that is, he is not related to any organization and works independently. And freelancers are in today's world have very high earning prospects than others who are working in an organization. So these diplomas will help you increase your value, and they will work as a value addition for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.